Now we will show you how to assemble the HealthyLine belt pad. This is how the pad looks when opened. Here, you have the pocket where the stone inserts can be placed. Here is the amethyst insert, and is the one we will use for this demonstration. As you can see, you are able to place the inserts into the pad by simply sliding them into the pocket. The pad also has adjustable straps that allow you to tighten the pad around your waist. It also has another Velcro strap to make sure it is secure around your waist. Located on the strap is the pocket where the power bank will be placed. Here is the power bank itself and will be used to power the device. It has 2 USB ports, a charging port, and is turned on by simply pressing this button on the side. You can see how much battery the power bank has by checking the lights above the charging port. To connect the power bank to the pad, take the short cord and insert the plug into the power bank and then stick the other end of the cord into the pad's power console. You can then place the power bank into the pocket that is located to the strap. To turn on the pad, press and hold the power button. Once it is on, you can alternate between the 3 heat settings by clicking the power button once. To turn it off, you simply press and hold the power button until the light turns off. It is also possible to use the charging brick to power the pad. Simply take the charging brick and connect it with a longer cord. Then insert the other end of that cord into the pad and plug the charging brick into an outlet. After that, the settings are the same as shown before.